Good morning, dear parents and all my dear students. How are you all? I know you all must be fine and must be practicing all the subjects English, Hindi, and maths. Have you maintained a copy? Yes, you have to maintain the copy and you have to write what your teacher teach in all the online classes. You must learn how to read and write in English, in Hindi and in maths. And in EVS you have to learn the answers. So students, today I am going to start a new letter C. Now we are going to learn all these letters which are starting with C pattern, like C, A, D, G. They have got the same pattern. So today the first step is of learning C. You all know what is the sound of C? I told you the sound of C is Ka. The sound of C is Ka. So what pictures come in your mind when you are thinking about C? Yes, the first picture which comes in our mind is cat. C for cat. Then another picture, C for cap. C for cap. C for cake. You all love yummy cake. C for cake. So there are many pictures which you can draw with letter C. But now first you learn how to write cursive C. So what is the first step? To open the copy, to take a pencil which is properly sharpened. Write down the date and then we'll start with the dot. So here I have drawn 4 lines and the dots are here. Now you have to take a sharp pencil starting from the corner, that is starting from the dot, slant up. You have to go slant a little down, then again back, turn, touch the blue line and up. This is C. See again, you have to go slant. Put the pencil on the dot, slant up, turn, come back, touch blue line and up. This is C. See again, starting from the corner, starting from the dot, slant up, down, turn, touch blue line, go up. This is C. Your hand movement should be very flexible. You don't have to press it. You should write it in one stroke. Some of the students write C like this. First they put the line like this and then they write C like this. No, this is wrong. Some of them are going to write like this. This is also wrong. I have not told you to write like this. This is the right pattern. You are going to come down first, a little down, go back and then you have to touch the blue line. Is it clear? The flexibility of writing should be there. You are not going to lift the pencil or you are not going to write it this way. The formation of C is this. Let us do it once again. Starting from the dot, slant up, down, turn, blue line, go up. Slant up, down, turn, touch the blue line, go up. This is the pattern of C. You will not write like this. This is wrong pattern. This one is the right pattern of writing C. This way you have to write. Okay. Now one thing I have noticed, many of the students, what they do, they hold the pencil very tightly. Means इतना प्रेस करके लिखते हैं कि वो पूरा इम्प्रेशन बैक साइड में आता है. You don't have to press the pencil. Students, don't press, don't hold it so tightly. Hold it very firmly, very lightly, and just make your writing flexible. It should be in one stroke. Don't press it on the paper. Then you won't be able to write in one stroke. Is it clear? So this is the correct formation of C. You have to do the practice of writing C, and with same formation you are going to learn the further letters. You are going to learn A, you are going to learn O, you are going to learn D, you are going to learn B. With the same formation you are going to learn the another letters. Clear? Now see what pictures can, so is it clear now? You are going to write it. Now what pictures can we draw with C? Let us, with C we can draw cat. Very easy to draw. Cat. With C we can draw cap. And with C we can draw yummy cake. We can draw cat, cap and cake. So now students, you have to practice letter C in your 4-line copy. Just take out a new page, write down the date and then start writing from the dot. And try to draw the pictures. These pictures are very easy. Okay. So do your work nicely and have a nice day.